Get your whole family involved and committed to helping with household chores. Clean and organize together with the Dating Diva Spring Cleaning Kit. Put together a handy binder of all your cleaning printables. Many of the lists and charts in this kit are editable. You can customize and personalize them before you print to keep things looking sharp. We found the best tips and tricks to make the deep cleaning faster and smarter. Follow our room-by-room checklist to conquer the whole house. Then, stay on track all year long with our daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning lists. Our chore charts will help you take it one step further and divvy out the chores to everyone in the family. Cleaning should not just fall on one person. Play some fun cleaning games that will make working as a family a bonding experience instead of a major hassle. Spring cleaning this year is easier and more fun than ever. Get your own editable cleaning printables in the Dating Diva store. If you like our kits, subscribe on YouTube to see more.